welcome to the lesson. Today, we will learn how to sell high-ticket AI services, even if you are just starting out. When most people hear high-ticket, they immediately think they need to have years of experience or build complicated software. But that's not the case at all. Because high-ticket doesn't mean high complexity. It just means high volume. You are not selling a tool like ChatGPT or Zapier. You are selling a solution. You are selling a way to save your client time and money, reduce their stress, or help them make more money by solving a real business problem. And the truth is, if you've gone through this course, you already have the skills that can do exactly that. You know how to build a chatbot that captures leads. You know how to automate content creation. And you've seen how AI tools can make client workflows faster and simpler. That's what makes this skill so valuable, and what makes people willing to pay $1,000 or more per project. In this lesson, we are going to walk you through the real examples of high-ticket services, why clients pay for those rates, and how to position yourself, even if this is your first time offering it. So let's talk about what high-ticket AI services actually look like, and which ones you can start offering right now, using the tools you've already practiced in this course. First up is AI chatbot setup and training. This is not just dropping a chatbot on someone's homepage. It's helping them automate lead capture, answer FAQs, and deliver support via this lead. You build a trend, brand the chatbot, and show them how to use it. That's easily worth $1,000 to $3,000 to a growing business. Then we have automation systems using tools like Zapier or Make.com. You've already seen how to build workflows. Imagine offering that as a service. Automating lead follow-ups, client onboarding, or content repurposing. These are major time-saving systems that business owners will pay up to $5,000 for, because they can replace admin work and increase efficiency. Another one is internal AI tools, like building a searchable AI assistant trained on the client's processes, team documents, or SOPs. This is a powerful way to help with agencies, teams, or course creators keep their knowledge organized. With just a Notion and a custom GPT, this can easily become a $2,000 to $6,000 offer. And finally, there's an AI dashboard and reporting systems. You can create summaries, lead trackers, or performance reports using Google Sheets and Zapier and ChatGPT, and deliver insights automatically. This helps business owners stay on top of key data without logging into 5 different platforms. You can easily charge up to $4,000 for this. Each of these services is based on tools you've already worked with. What makes them high ticket is the way they are packaged and the business problem they solve. Now that you've seen what types of AI services can sell for $1,000 and more, let's talk about why businesses are willing to pay that much, and why it has nothing to do with how long the work takes or how complicated the tech is. The first reason is simple. You are saving them time. Business owners are already overwhelmed. They don't want to spend their nights Googling how to use Zapier or writing captions with ChatGPT. They want to skip the trial and error and have someone else make it work. If you can save them 5 to 10 hours a week, that's worth thousands. Second, you are solving real bottlenecks, the things that slow down their business. For example, if leads are falling through the cracks because they don't have a system in place, that's a lost revenue. If they're consistently behind on content, that hurts growth. When you fix those pain points, you are not giving them just convenience. You are giving them momentum and results. Third, companies pay more when they feel like they are getting a strategy, not just a setup. They don't want to be told what tool to use. They want someone who will guide them to the best fit solution, walk them through it, and set it up in the way what works for the business. And finally, clients are paying for peace of mind. They don't want to manage another VA or spend weeks testing AI tools. If you show up with a clear process, offer support, and keep things simple, they will gladly pay you for the clarity and confidence you bring to the table. So it's not about charging for the AI tool, it's about charging for the result. And when you frame your work that way, selling high ticket becomes a lot more natural and easy. Now that you know what services you can sell and why they are valuable to businesses, the next step is learning how to position your offer in the way that makes most people say yes, I need that. It starts with this shift. Stop describing what you do by tools and start describing it by outcome. And we've talked about a few bad and good examples to position your offer, but I will repeat this one more time. Clients don't care about the tools you use. They care about what problem it solves. Another key is to structure your offer clearly. The easiest way is to break it into 3 parts. Phase 1, discovery, where you audit or map out their current system. Phase 2, build, where you deliver the actual chatbot, workflow, or content system. And phase 3, support and optimize, where you provide a room workflow or a training doc. That structure immediately makes you look more professional, and clients are more confident in investing when you know what to expect. You can also increase your perceived value by adding simple assets that most freelancers skip, such as a training video, a visual roadmap, or a PDF that explains how to use the system. These take little time to create, but they make your 1,000 offer feel like a complete experience. The goal is to make your offer easy to say yes to, because it's focused, results-driven, and feels like a true solution, not just a service. Now, let's wrap this up with a few simple practical tips for actually selling your first high-ticket offer, especially if you don't have a big audience or tons of past clients. First, you can start by creating a starter version of your high-ticket service. You can call it a starter system, AI setup package, or mini build. This makes your offer sound approachable but still premium. It also lowers the pressure for both you and the client, while still commanding real value. Second, focus on one niche and one result, because trying to serve everyone leads to unclear messaging. Third, you don't need a funnel. Start with the people you already know. Send a message to someone in your network or someone who's struggling with the exact problem you offer to solve. Fourth, use your own examples as proof. If you've built a workflow, chatbot, or a system for yourself, show it. Record a room, share a screenshot, or describe how it works. Because clients care more about whether it solves their problem than whether you've done it 20 times for other people. And finally, price based on the value and the outcome, not your time. If your system saves them 5 hours a week, eliminates a major bottleneck, or helps them get visible consistently, that's worth more than $1,000 per month. Now that we've seen what a high-ticket AI service actually look like and how to position and sell them, it's time to take action. You can start by reviewing the list of high-ticket AI service PDF which are attached to this lesson, and choose one service that feels realistic and valuable to offer, even if you've only done it for yourself so far. Then, write a one-sentence offer that describes who it's for and what outcome it creates. Something like, I help online coaches automate client onboarding with AI, so they can save time and never miss a lead. Next, choose one potential client, someone in your network, a past client, or even someone in a community you are part of, and send them a message offering to help. Once someone says yes, deliver it confidently and treat it like a premium experience. This is how you move from learning AI to earning with AI. Alright, that's it for this lesson, and I will see you in the next one.